Do you have mental disabilities?
Nana! Wait, why'd you say Nana? It's always Nana when I'm mad. This monster is mad good. Nana! No, it's not Nana, it's Mama. Take a video of me. Look at that guy's cake! Cake, 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 cake! Look at that guy's cake. I'm gonna laugh when that's a lady. Well, it's not, because ladies don't have that. Why did they say time on a table on the garbage can? That's kind of dumb. You think? I agree. Can I steal that cone?
No, you can't steal the cone.
Would you guys walk that cone home with me? I dare you. You won't. I'm about to pick it up. You won't. You won't.
I wouldn't do that.
If you don't, I will. It's coming home with us either way. No! Oh! Oh, look, it's glued. God. What about that one?
Oh my god.
Oh no, there's a car!
I'm gonna pee my pants.
Mama, come on, there's no cars.
I know there's no cars. Oh my gosh. What if you get caught with it? Should go this way then. You're still on video, you know.
Hi!
What's your name?
Mackay! Mackay!
Look, there's bunnies. Right there.
How taxi does this look?
I'm gonna catch a bunny. No, come back. You're gonna get busted, Aiden.
Wait, you can tell I know you.
You're still on video. It's been on for like 3 minutes. What?
Let me know if there's another car. What is so funny?
You.
Why am I so funny? Because I stole a cone?
Yeah.
Sorry, just put it out of your head.
This video is so going on YouTube.
Bugs, what?
This video is so going on YouTube.
You know how to put videos on YouTube? No, you teach me how to do that and you'll be my favorite. We had a doggy. Oh, this car. Hold on, guys. Gotta see how to shoot.
Oh my god. I'm gonna pee my pants.
Hi, guys.
You already got him staring because of your boots.
Go. Let me know if you see
Smile.
Are you gonna record this whole freaking video of me? Hold on, gotta tie my shoe again.
Got touch you.
Oh, hey, look, it's like a heart. I don't want to carry this. I'm gonna drink this.
What is that, Mikai?
It's a heart.
What is
This
it?
is my boyfriend. His name is,
Carl.
no. I can't tell you what his name is. It's Marky. But I'm not giving it to him.
Well, you left it on the ground.
And nobody wants to. Hold on, I'm waiting for these cars.
The cone is following us.
Damn cars.
Okay, I think I'm gonna shut the video off. Oh my god, they're after you, Raven!